how to kick someone out of your Roblox private server. So if you want to kick someone out of your Roblox private server, then you just need to simply go with your server and you need to simply click on the play button and you need to play or simply start the server and make sure that you've created the server. So make sure that you're the owner of the server, because if you're not the owner of your private server, then you'll not be able to kick someone or remove anyone from the server. So if you own a private server, you're able to kick or remove anyone. Now what you need to do is click on the Roblox icon that is on the top left corner. And as you can see here that the players list. Now in the players list, there are all the players that are available in this game or the server. Now you can simply see that there is an option to add friends. And exactly same like this, you will have an option of remove friend if you've created the server. You just have to simply click on that and the person will be removed from your server. So that's how you can kick or remove someone from the Roblox private server. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.